What are you doing? What are you doing? Did you just squash your man?
No.
Is that your new army guy?
No.
What is it? Move the weight. Move it.
No.
What's in your mouth?
No, nothing.
Move the weight.
No.
Are you lying?
No.
What's going to happen if the rapture comes and you're in the middle of a lie?
Okay.
I can't see it.
No.
Roll it the other direction.
No.
You're a horrible person.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Can we name your cat Rastus instead of Jesse? Or Lucius? Baxter?
Basket. That's it?
Baxter. Oh God. Can I see what you're picking up? Is that your new Christmas present you're picking off the ground? This lady's hair straight stresses me out. Look how scraggly it is. Get some freaking hair extensions before you go on TV. I'm gonna give her my card. Mail it to her.
Hey, Box.
Don't talk about it.
I just went to work.
Hey Isaac, your dad's trying to sleep. Do it again. Wait, keep going. You gotta do it all the way in here.
That's all. Oh, yeah?
I wonder if you could break dance and spin on your belly.
That probably hurt my
I was just gonna try to do what you did. Oh God.
Oh, my God.
What the heck was that, crazy legs? Go back out. Do it again. Go back out and do it again.